The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 is a technological tour de force, packed with advanced features that enhance convenience, entertainment, and safety. The centerpiece of the interior is the M-Bux Hyperscreen, a sweeping digital display that spans the entire dashboard. This intuitive system controls everything from navigation and entertainment to climate control and vehicle settings. The Maybach S Class also features rear-wheel steering, which enhances maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds. Advanced autonomous driving capabilities are also available, allowing the Maybach S Class to handle certain driving tasks semi-autonomously. A head-up display projects vital information onto the windshield, keeping the driver's eyes on the road. Personalized security options including facial recognition and fingerprint scanners add an extra layer of protection for discerning owners. The Maybach S Class seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology into a luxurious and intuitive package, making every journey safer, more enjoyable, and effortlessly connected. The Mercedes Maybach S Class 2025 offers a compelling array of advantages for those seeking the ultimate in automotive luxury. Its exceptional comfort, unmatched rear seat luxury, and powerful engine choices set it apart from the competition. The advanced technology and features, including the M-Bux Hyperscreen and autonomous driving capabilities, further enhance the driving experience. Exclusive customization options allow owners to create a truly bespoke vehicle that reflects their individual style and preferences. The Maybach S Class is not just a car, it's a statement of success, a sanctuary of comfort, and a technological marvel all rolled into one. For those who demand the very best, the Maybach S Class is the ultimate expression of automotive excellence.